Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Zone 2 Garage. We're here today with a 2012 Dodge Ram 2500, and we're going to be doing a full LED conversion. Today's episode we're going to go ahead and go with the brake lights for today. The parts that we're going to be using is going to be some alloy lighting bulbs from Amazon, 3157s. These do have the strobe function in them. And then we're going to be using the Luminex 921 reverse bulbs from dieselleds.com. The tools we're going to be using today is going to be a 10mm. I have it on a 1/4 inch ratchet. Any 10mm on a ratchet will be fine. First thing we're going to do is we're going to let the tailgate down. And you're going to come to your taillight here. And you'll see you have two bolts that's holding them in. These are two 10mm bolts. And you're going to go ahead and pull those out. We already started this earlier, so that this video wouldn't be too long. Right to the point for you guys. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey to get these boys out of here. And it'll be nice and simple, just like so. This truck's seen some miles, so not all of these screws are exactly OEM. Boom, there we go. Just get that boy out of there. Alright, that's good enough. And here we go, let's get this bottom one out. Boom. Now usually there's going to be two locators that's going to be holding in your taillight on this side of the bed here, so you're going to have to use a little bit of force and pop it out. This one, looks like we have them on this one. On this side. So we're going to have to pop it out, just so. You want to be gentle yet firm, guys. And you'll hear it do that. Beautiful. So you're actually going to slide that forward a little bit, guys. Alright, you don't want to go straight out. You want to go out and forward. So you just pop it forward. Those were our plastic clips disintegrating, so we'll go ahead and get some new ones when we replace these lights back. So you're going to, first thing for your stoplight, you're going to go ahead and twist it. Pop it out. For the bottom one, it's a little bit trickier on the Dodge, so we're going to unplug it. You're just going to press that in and pop it out. So now we have our light bulb, our tail light out of the truck. Oh, this truck has definitely seen some miles, guys, so bear with us. And there we go, this one's already unlocked. Oh, and we actually have no bulb in there, guys, so that's what we were hearing diggling around in there. So normally this would be like this in there, in the locked position. So you see the tabs at the bottom, you would have to spin it in this fashion, right way, and pop it out. Alright, so like I said, this truck's seen some miles, so we don't got to worry about that. We do, however, have to reuse this plug, so we need to pop this out of here. So let's go ahead and, oh, that is just disintegratingly bad. This is one of the main reasons as to why we're doing this light upgrade on this truck here today, is because of things of this nature. And let's go ahead and pop that out. Come on. Alright, almost got it. Boom, there we go, guys. So you want to pull all that stuff out of there. We'll just put our screwdriver in there. This is just a regular flathead screwdriver that I'm using to do that. If you ever have an exploded bulb, you can do it in that same fashion. It is probably a good idea to go in there and give it a clean, but this is a work truck and we just send it. So let's go ahead and get our nice bulbs out. These Luminex bulbs from Diesel LEDs are really bright when they go in reverse. I have them on my F250 and they are phenomenal. So we see that this has a nice little fan on the back to keep the LED cool. So what's going to happen here is we're going to plug this into here. Just like that. So now that that's like that, this bulb is actually going to take the place of our connector. And you see it has this nice little rubber ring around it. So we're just going to push that in there. Just like that. Give it a firm push. Just to get that in there. And that's it, guys. That one's on there. Let's go ahead and unpack our LED turn brake lights. Get those out. Okay. open those. Real nice, easy opening. We want to be a little bit careful with these. I never like to touch the lenses on them. So let's go back over here to our bulb. Oh, that one was real nice, just popped out. Yep, always double check, guys. It's always a good habit. Go ahead and make sure. And go ahead and pop that in there just like that. So now, go ahead and take our light. You hear that bulb rattling around in there. I'll come back around and try to get that out. Let's go ahead and plug this bad boy in. Just so, like that. And then we're going to take, remember we took this one out. So you're going to line up the notches just like that. And then you're going to give her a turn. Bam, and now she's done. And you see, guys, here's one of the plastic clips that actually stayed on there. That was good. It just sounded like things broke. So now you're going to pop this back onto there. Right here is where that's going to ride on. So you're going to line that up. Make sure everything is inside. And you see you can line it up just like that. And you're just going to give it a pop. You heard how that popped in there? And we're going to go ahead and just tighten our screws up. Have our bottom one lined up. And you just go ahead and righty-tighty, lefty-loosey that boy. Let me see if I can get someone to go ahead and get these lights tested so we can see what's going on. Let's see if I get my assistant, VJ. VJ, sir, if you wouldn't mind put some power to these lights here. Let's just function through reverse and hitting the brakes and park lights. Bear with us for one moment, guys. We're going to see what these lights look like. There goes our daytime running lights. And that's our brake light. See how it does a nice little strobe function. 3 blinks, and wow. This is daytime, guys, and that is our reverse light. Once we get the other side done, we'll go ahead and get a nighttime view of that so you guys can really see just how bright it is. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure and like and subscribe to the video. Catch our next videos coming up with the rest of the truck. Have a good one.